sauce ready to go. We just have a few more things that we need to do. We're gonna be working with bok choy today, so it's a little bit different of a vegetable than probably some of you guys are familiar with. So it's going to be in the leafy lettuce family. I've already rinsed these and separated the leaves because there is quite a bit of soil that does end up in here, and you can kind of see it just as a part of the actual stalk there. But it has been rinsed and washed. We're gonna chop those up. We're going to slice up our beef. We've got some my fun rice noodles that we'll be using for this dish as well. Some mushrooms. I've got some things to put on the top of it at the end that I love. We'll work with ginger as well today too. So we're gonna have a lot of really good flavors going for our our rice noodles here, and we're going to go ahead and add them to a bowl of hot water and let them soak for 5 to 10 minutes. These are not like traditional semolina flour noodles, so they don't need to be boiled. Give those a good dunk. I'm going to break them apart if we need to give them more space to soak up that water and to soften up. Then I'm going to go ahead and put this to the side later. And we're gonna go ahead and get started on the rest of our recipe. So we're gonna combine our soy sauce, about a third cup of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of sesame oil, garlic, three tablespoons of brown sugar, and or apple cider vinegar, I'm actually going to go ahead and pour this into another container, reserving about 2 tablespoons for our beef mixture. About 12 ounces of beef here. I went ahead and cut, this is a flat iron steak. They didn't have any skirt steak, so I'm gonna go ahead and add this into our container here. And we'll add about 2 tablespoons, this is a little bit more than 12 ounces, but that's okay, of our mixture there. Do just a little bit more since we have a little extra meat there. We're just going to let that combine in there and kind of marinate for a few minutes. On medium heat now, I'm going to go ahead and add my oil. Today we're using a wok, so that pan is nice and hot. And I'm going to go ahead and take my onions that I've put into 1/4-inch slices. I'm going to go ahead and saute this. I'm going to go ahead and add some salt as well. garnish it with just a little bit of sriracha, because I like a little bit of heat. So we've got some nice flavors here, sweet, we've got ginger, some sesame oil, so that gives us a nice robust flavor. And then we have our great beef here. So an easy recipe. You could easily swap this out with shrimp or another protein, but I really like it. Guys, thanks for hanging out with me. I'm gonna enjoy my Korean beef and noodles for lunch today. Just another thought, you could garnish it with cilantro or fresh bean sprouts if you know that they're sourced from a safe place that will not give you E. coli. Anyhow, I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this now, and I'll talk to you guys later.